Hi there, welcome back to thinktankonlinelearning. So in this video, we're still in changing orthographic projection to isometric projection. Okay, so this is what we're given. So this is in first angle projection. So this is the front view, and this is the top view. Okay, so first of all, we have to make a sketch to see what this diagram will look like. So in this case, I'm using the front view. I think the front view will be good. Okay, so from the front view, as you can see, we have something like this. I'm trying to put it in 3D. Okay, so from the top view, now we have this through wall. Can you see? As you can see, but it is after some distance here. So there's a distance which I'm going to put it. So the same is applying to the corner point, right? There's a certain distance here of 5 millimeters, and after that you can see we have a distance of 20 from this point to this point. And after that we're going to have this through wall. From the front view, you can see that we have something like this. Okay, we have something like this from here. Okay, that's what we have. Also, we have something like this right here. It's the same, just a sketch to see what kind of a diagram that we're drawing. Okay, and we have something like this right here, something like this right here, and of course we're going to have this right here. So this is basically what we are trying to draw. Okay, so let's put it an isometric with measurements. Okay, so taking my 6H, which is the pen that I'm going to use for construction. So I'm going to draw the reference axis right here, and project this straight line right here. Draw these lines. Okay, and now from here you can see the total length is 100. So 100 is right here, that is 10, but since from here to here it's 10, so 10 from this corner point, 10 from this end point. Okay, and I'm going to project it upwards, right? Then the width from here is 20, 40, 60, so that is going to be 60, right? 60 right here. I'm going to project it upwards. Then the height right here. Okay, so from here to here is 15, right? There's a missing dimension. From here to here is 15, so I'm going to put 15 right here, but also going to need 5 from here. From here to here I'm going to need 5. Okay, so 5 right here, 15 right here, and project it right here. Also project 15 right here. Okay, and this one should be right here. Okay, then from this, the distance from here to here is 5. From this end point we're going to measure 5. Then from this point we're going to measure 5. Okay, right here, that is 5. Also have 5 from the corner and project up to here. Okay, so now from here, as you can see, this is 20, so from here it's going to be 15. Okay, so 15 from this corner point, and 15 from this corner point. Okay, yeah, like this. Okay, now go to the center. See, we're going to need this. The height is 95 from here. So first of all, let's measure 50 here. Go to the middle. Going to go to 50, right? That is going to be the middle. Okay, so to avoid some confusion, since there are two main construction lines, I'm going to start by outlining this portion. Okay, so that is actually right here. Okay, right here, right here. Okay, and after that, take a 30-degree set square and just that line up to here. And also going to need this as board. This one is about line again. Okay, up to this point. And you're also going to need this up to here. Okay, again you can stop at this point. So from this line we're going to measure 95, which is right here, up to this point. Okay, now take your 30 square and draw a line. Okay, so from here I'm going to measure 20 on each side. From this point I'm going to measure 20 on each side. That is 40, so 20 here and 20 right here. Okay, that's what we're going to do, but it has to start from this end point, as you can see. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my, okay, so the other thing that we have to do is to project this line right here. Okay, do the same right here and do the same right here, like this, and put your, going to put our set square right here at this line, right, and construct right here, and now point it to the top right here. Okay, to this point. Now go to that point and draw this. Okay, and after doing that, we're told that the thickness is 15, so you can measure 15 from here and even finish the construction line that we have constructed. Okay, so come here, so that is 15. Okay, so now what we're going to do is to take our ruler. Okay, take a ruler and draw this line. I'm going to connect it up this end corner and connect it to this end corner, and we're going to elongate it up to this point, up to this, and connect it up to this end corner. Okay, and now I'm going to draw this. So I'm going to measure 10 from this point. 10 from this point. Let's measure 10 right here. Take a 30-degree set square. Okay, then from here, given that it's 20, so I'm going to measure 10 on each side. 10 here, 10 here, and project downwards. 1, 2, and the length is 40 from this corner point up to here. It's going to be 40. Right, to avoid confusion, let's outline. Okay, so from this to this, to this point, to this point, check your 30-degree set square, and to this. Okay, and now what we're going to do, we're said from this point is a distance of 20. Okay, so come to this point and measure 20, right? Okay, then after doing that, take a 30 degree set square and strike. Okay, then the other end is 15. So now I'm going to measure 15 this end. Okay, and construct right here. Okay, like this. And after you do that, check your outline pencil, connect this point with this point, and this with the point with this point, and you can outline right here, and take this point and also draw right here. Okay, like this. And now it's time to connect. Check your set square and draw this point after this point. Okay, and now what we're going to do, we're going to take this corner point right here, come and take this one again, and I'm going to take this one, it's already there, and I'm going to take this one. Okay, and here you can even measure 10, right? If we come to this center point right here, to this center right here, you can even come and measure 10 right here. Okay, and now this. Okay, so what I'm going to do, just going to have the corner and have projected them up to here, as you can see. And now from this we're going to take it, pull it down up to this point, and from here up to this point. Okay, like this. And as you can see,